सर मैंने आज सर्विसिंग के लिए गाड़ी दिया था। आज मैंने सर्विसिंग के लिए गाड़ी दिया था।
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, आप वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग मत कीजिए।
मैं जब सर पूछा आप वो बताइए। तो कौन सा शोरूम है ये आपका?
नहीं
कौन सा शोरूम है?
हाँ भैया,
विनायका यामाहा डमलोर, ठीक है। आज सर्विसिंग के लिए गाड़ी दिया, गाड़ी यहीं से लिया था। आज आपके सामने ही सर्विसिंग की गाड़ी लिया ना सर। आप अपने मैनेजर को बुलाइए।
यहाँ पे 4 लोग रहते हैं, जो भी आपका गाड़ी रिसीव किया है आप उससे बात
नहीं, मैं उससे बात नहीं करूंगा। मेरे को मैनेजर से बात करना है सर। आप मैनेजर को बुलाइए।
तो सीधे चलो ना मैनेजर के पास।
मैं थोड़ा बुलाऊंगा, कस्टमर नहीं बुलाता है, आपको बुलाना है।
लेके चल रहा हूँ।
नहीं मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। मैनेजर है तो नीचे आने को बोलो। मैनेजर है तो आप नीचे आने को बोलो।
अच्छा बुला रहा हूँ,
बुलाइए, आप पहले बुलाइए। आज सर्विसिंग के लिए मैंने गाड़ी दिया है। आज देख कितने बजे दिया है?
आज सुबह ही दिए थे सर, आई थिंक अराउंड 10
हाँ,
ईयरली।
कितने बजे कलेक्ट किया है? When did I collected my vehicle? When did I collected my vehicle? No, I will not stop.
Then why
I am asking a genuine question.
Okay.
When did I receive my vehicle? When did I receive my vehicle? Huh?
4:35.
Okay.
1 hour.
You were there, no? Okay. That's all. Just sir, please call your service manager. I want to really appreciate him.
Call madam.
what happened, sir? Tell me what happened.
What is it?
The vehicle is not going above 40. I was just here only, near about HL. I was going to meet with some accident, okay? 4 times it happened with me. 4 times. Sometimes it will work, sometimes this throttle is not working. If somebody will hit me from back, what should I do? Call him. Call him. Call him. Call him. Call him, sir. Call him.
ಗಾಡಿ 40 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕಾರ್ಬೇರೇಟರ್ ಫ್ರಿಜ್ ಜರ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Is he coming?
प्रवीण बच्चा था ना अभी इधर था रे फोन नंबर
4 times it happened while going. Like when I went till HL, first time it happened like that. While coming 4 times. And riding this vehicle in less than 40 is a very dangerous work in Bangalore. Okay? So call your service manager. I really want to appreciate him for the servicing. I really, from my heart, I want to appreciate him and his service. Where is he? He is not the service manager. I know him very well. I'm not calling the in charge. I'm calling the manager. Why?
There is no manager. We have to recruit one. Sir, he is the service in charge for all over Yamaha.
Okay.
In Vinayak Yamaha.
Okay. Good evening, sir. What's your name?
Praveen.
Praveen. Where we are right now? In Damlur? Vinayak Yamaha, no? No. Why? I paid, no? I paid for the service. It's my right. It's my right. Don't touch it. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. It's my right. The vehicle is not. Are you making people fool over here? You call what? No. You do it and give, but don't touch my phone. You don't have any right to touch my phone. Who said? I'm not taking photo. I'm taking video. I paid. No, I paid for the service. I paid for the service. No. What I'm asking? What I'm asking? What I'm asking?
What your problem is?
What I'm asking? Did I pay for service? Did I pay for the service? Say me yes or no. Did I pay for the service? Did I pay for the service? No, tell me, did I paid for the service? Yes or no?
One second, what I'm telling.
No, I will not stop the video. I will not stop the video.
Not myself, drop that mobile.
Oh, okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Get me the Vinayak head. Who is the Vinayak head? Who is the Vinayak head? Call him. Bloody bastards. He's raising hand. Huh? What is that? Get me the owner. Call the owner. Who is he to raise hand? Call the owner. Call the owner. I'm saying no. I will not say it. Call the owner.
बेटा सर बैठो 2 मिनट
Call the owner. Who is in charge over here?
सर बैठो सर 2 मिनट
Bloody hell. Who is the service in charge over here? Or who is the head over here?
मैंने बोला तू बैठो 2 मिनट
No. I'm not sitting. Call him.
ओके आई कॉल हिम 6
Call him. No. I'm not sitting, ma'am. No.
Yeah, here is there, sir. He's up.
Call him. Call him. Let me put the true picture of Vinayak Yamaha. Call him. For taking money, there is nothing like that. Good evening, sir. What's your name, sir? No, sir. What's your name, sir? Deepak. Sir, see, sir. No. I want to talk over here only. Sir, I came for service. No, sir. I came for the service. Okay. Paid the whole amount over here. When I took the vehicle, it's not going above 40. I don't have any right to complain?
Yeah, definitely.
Who is he to raise hand, sir?
Who raised the hand?
Call him. Call him, no, sir. Call him. This is not taken, sir, actually. Call him. I should pay also. I should not shout also. I should not complain also. This can't be done, sir. A very pathetic situation. He is raising hand. Call him.
ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೋಡಿ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋದು ನಾವು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಬಂದು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ತೆಗೆದಿರೋದೇನಿದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
I have the right to take videos. I complained, no, sir, already. I complained to him.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
I complained to him.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ
I will take. I will take. It's my right. It's my right. I will take. And sir, get me the and sir, I have a small request to you on camera. Get me the Vinayak head, whoever it is, his email ID or his phone number or whatever it is. I am going to register a complaint. Guarantee. Sure it is. Now it's sure from my side.
ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
And on his face, I am saying I will complain against him. It's done, sir. Now
ಬಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ
it's done.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ.
It's done. So it's should I not shout? The vehicle is not going above 40. Driving in Bangalore in less than 40 it's a risk or not? Suddenly I went to HL and this vehicle got stopped. When I was throttling up near about more than 40, this vehicle got stopped. From backside, one like 4-wheeler is coming. So who is at risk?
Yes, sir. First we'll check what is the problem.
He checked, no, sir. I have the full video. Who checked? Call him. No, he already saw that person, Naveen. He already. No, I don't want to go anywhere. You just take my vehicle. Whatever you do want to do with it. I will not go. You check my vehicle now. Problem is there. Now I will not leave you people like this only. And as if
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತಾ? ನೋಟ್ಸ್
ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು.
पिक्चर को बोलो उनके साथ जाओ। ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ನೀನು ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡದಾನ.
Excuse me, sir. I can also understand Kannada. You can see my video from starting. After we will stop, I will show you the video from starting. What happened, whether I have complained or not. Sir, if he comes and approaches me, should I not ask his name?
What I told?
Did I ask you to? I asked it to you also, correct? So, get me the Vinayak website, like complaining address and the authority person contact number. This is not the way. We are just not paying like that, sir. Yeah. Check it, sir. Check it.